Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. By picking it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the watermark option, so let's tap on this, and here we can add the timestamp on photos and also add the device watermark. By using these buttons we can easily turn them on and off. We can add just one of these, we can add both at the same time, and also with the device watermark we have connected the custom one, so let's pick here, and here we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset, and save. But remember that we can't add the custom without the device, so when we turn this off the custom is locked, so these two are connected. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture to see how these watermarks looks like at the real one. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. The watermarks appear here at the bottom of it, so let's get closer to it. And from the left we have Poco M3 watermark, so the device one with hard reset, the custom one. From the right we have the date and time, and of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to the right corner to the settings, then to the left, and here we have to pick once again the watermark and use these buttons to turn it off. Now when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.